Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words still hurt.
Words hurt.
Today's gonna be a great day.
A good day? You ain't gonna have no good day, man. What's wrong with you? You don't have good days. I'm telling you, you're not good enough to have good days. You might as well throw it away and give it up. Good day. You crazy. Words hurt.
Alright, now I gotta study.
I don't know what you trying to study for. You dumb, you stupid, you retarded. You won't make it. You won't graduate. Give it up. Throw away the towel. Words hurt. Alright, fat back, look at all that flubber. You really think you finna lose that weight? You ain't never meant to be nothing but fat, nasty, greasy, and disgusting. Run all you want, you ain't gonna lose no weight, fat back. Words hurt.
So the course of your life is affected by the words that are spoken. In so many ways, we have been limited by the words that we allow to creep in our hearts and our minds. Many of those words have hindered our abilities. What we believe affects our lives. What you believe affects where you are going. What you believe affects your life. Let's remember, words really do hurt.